Issued by RTC.
You are alias Boss Terry or Terry. You have a warrant of arrest issued by Regional Trial Court, 3rd Judicial Region, Branch 118, Angeles City, Pampanga, for violation of qualified trafficking in persons or violation of RA 9208 as amended, violation of Section 4 in relation to Section 6 of Republic Act 9208 issued by Honorable Rene Estrada Reyes, presiding judge. I will cite you your Miranda rights, okay? Your rights. I will.
You understand English? No?
Okay.
No, okay.
Oh, I have a translation.
Don't worry about it.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in any court of law. You have the right to have an attorney. If you cannot afford to have a attorney, the government will give you one. You understand?
Para maibigay. Sino nakakuan? Hawak.
Do you understand the rights that I cite to you?
Diyan na tayo. Diyan na.
Go na, let's go. Tara na.